Bird strike, the hidden hazard that threatens aircraft safety. When people think about aviation hazards, they often imagine severe thunderstorms, engine failures. However, one of the most common and persistent threats to aircraft safety comes from an unexpected source: birds. A bird strike occurs when a bird collides with an aircraft during flight or while the aircraft is taking off, landing, or taxiing. Although most bird strikes result in only minor damage, some have led to serious accidents, costly repairs, and even emergency landings. Every year, thousands of bird strikes are reported worldwide, making wildlife hazards a significant concern for the aviation industry. Why are bird strikes so dangerous? The danger of a bird strike depends on several factors, including the bird size, the aircraft's speed, and the location of the impact. An aircraft on takeoff or landing typically travels between 140 and 180 knots, 260 to 330 kilometers per hour. At these speeds, even a relatively small bird can generate a tremendous amount of impact energy. Large birds such as geese, vultures, pelicans, or swans can weigh several kilograms, and a collision with one of these birds can cause severe structural damage. The most critical areas vulnerable to bird strikes include aircraft engines, windshields, and cockpit windows, radome, nose section containing weather radar, wings and leading edges, horizontal and vertical stabilizers among these. Engine ingestion is considered one of the most serious hazards. Entering a jet engine can damage fan blades, reduce engine performance, or even result in an engine failure. Modern jet engines are designed and certified to withstand certain bird impacts, but multiple large birds or an exceptionally large bird can exceed the engine's certification limits. Lessons from history. Perhaps the best-known bird strike event occurred in 2009, when U.S. Airways Flight 1549 struck a flock of Canada geese shortly after takeoff from New York's LaGuardia Airport. Both engines lost thrust after ingesting birds, forcing Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberger and First Officer Jeffrey Skiles to successfully ditch the Airbus A320 in the Hudson River. Remarkably, all 155 people on board survived. This event demonstrated both the seriousness of bird strikes and the importance of pilot training, decision-making, and aircraft design. Preventing bird strikes. Airports around the world employ dedicated wildlife management programs to reduce the risk of bird strikes. These measures include habitat management, grass height control, bird detecting radar systems, pyrotechnics, trained falcons, and regular wildlife patrols. Pilots also play an important role by remaining vigilant during takeoff and landing, reporting bird activity to air traffic control, and following established procedures if a strike occurs. Aircraft manufacturers continuously improve aircraft certification standards by designing engines, windshields, and critical structures to better withstand bird impacts. Bird strikes cannot be eliminated despite advances in technology in airport wildlife management. Bird strikes can never be completely eliminated. Birds share the same airspace as aircraft, particularly near airports where natural habitats may attract wildlife. Instead of attempting to remove all birds, the aviation industry focuses on reducing the likelihood of collisions and ensuring that aircraft can safely continue flight or land safely if a strike occurs. Bird strikes may appear to be a minor hazard, but they represent a genuine operational risk that every pilot, airport operator, and aircraft manufacturer takes seriously. Through continuous research, engineering improvements, effective wildlife management, and professional flight crew training, aviation has become remarkably resilient against this natural hazard. The next time you see birds flying near an airport, remember that even one small bird can challenge a multi-million-dollar aircraft. Fortunately, decades of safety improvements and operational experience help ensure that, when bird strikes do occur, they are managed safely and professionally.